Hello and welcome to hands-on Python course. We have set up Anaconda and we have launched Jupyter Lab. And in this video, I want to share a possible problem that you may encounter and show the solution. When you first try to open Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook, it may ask you password or token. This may happen. So if this happens, I will show you what to do. First, let me show you the official documentation. It's about security, and it says in Jupyter Notebook server they have bring a new security layer. All you have to do is this command here, Jupyter Notebook list. This will list the tokens, and we will use these tokens here. Let me show you how to do this. I copy this one, and here in Jupyter Lab, as you see, my Jupyter Lab port is 8888 port. And now I will come to command prompt, but Anaconda command prompt. In Windows, I type in Anaconda prompt. That's what I need. Anaconda prompt. I open it, and now here, let me make it a little bit bigger. Now I am in Anaconda prompt. So I will type Jupyter Notebook list, as it writes here, Jupyter Notebook list. If I click on enter, it will bring me the Jupyter Notebook installations with ports and the tokens. These are the tokens. As you see here, this is the token, and I'm using port 8888. So I will copy this token. I will copy it from here and go to this password or token area and paste it. Then click on login. That's all you need to do. It may not happen to you, but if it happens, it's very easy, as I said, to take the token and use it. I will also share this documentation in resources. You can use it. That's all about this video. See you in the next one.